Ecological balance is the most important thing in the ecosystem, and the human race is the biggest culprit to disturb the entire ecosystem for their selfish needs. Leave land, leave air. They have not left the water on the earth, which is the most important and integral part of our life. My name is Ankush, and today on my channel Bolly Friday, I am reviewing the documentary film Seas Piracy released on Netflix. This film is an awesome and uncover the brutality of fishing industry. Directed and narrated by British filmmaker Ali Tabrizi, this Netflix film is an eye-opener for many people who are unaware of the destruction from mass fishing. It sheds some light on a much-needed topic that many of us overlook as it literally goes on the water beneath us. It is hard to believe that such barbaric treatment of human lives who are enslaved mainly by Chinese and Thai fisheries is permitted to continue with no consequences in the today's modern society. This Netflix film takes us on a whistle-stop tour of our oceans, shining a light on everything from how important sharks and dolphins are to our ecosystems to the hugely damaging effects that commercial fishing has on our planet, considering that up to 85% of the oxygen we breathe comes from our seas. It's an eye-opener, shocker, and definitely one of the best documentaries of 2021. It exposes the corruption, pollution, and emotion in the global fishing industry. Commercial fishing is not sustainable. It is unbelievable what's going on out there. The amount of wastage is deplorable. The quicker humans leave this planet would be better for all the wildlife. It's a debate that whether it is actually impossible to conduct commercial fishing without killing dolphins, plus thousands of less charismatic species. Because all commercial fishing methods are fundamentally unsustainable, designed to kill everything in their path and sort out a few commercially valuable species. It's certainly true that dolphin safe labels mean nothing. The film does a great job of exposing corruption and conflicts of interest in man conservation groups and hollow political efforts toward conservation. Something not mentioned in the film is that this corruption and conflict of interest even seeps into scientific sphere because research requires funding that often comes from oils and fisheries. It is definitely worth watching, and it may change your mind about more than just commercial fishing. Seas Piracy is one of the best things on Netflix. The human race cannot survive without marine life. All other global issues aside, global warming are dwarfed in comparison to this tragedy. Do yourself a big favor and go watch this insanely eye-opening documentary. Then don't forget to take action after watching it. I would like to thank all the amazing people that worked on this documentary and risked their lives to bring this information to the public so that we can stop this menace. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and also like and share my video. Thank you.